You're listening to ARC Advisory Group's The Sustainability Podcast, where we explore how artificial intelligence, industrial sustainability, logistics, supply chains, and smart cities are shaping the future. In every episode, we talk with industry leaders who are finding practical ways to create more sustainable solutions. Whether you're a business professional or just curious, these conversations will give you fresh ideas on how to reduce environmental impact while improving efficiency. From smart technologies to rethinking supply chain strategies, there's always something new to learn. If you'd like to go further and make a real difference, be sure to connect with ARC Advisory Group. Our expertise can help your organization adopt cutting-edge sustainability strategies that drive both innovation and results. Don't miss the chance to stay ahead and make meaningful changes for a more sustainable future. Welcome again to the Sustainability Podcast. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics in logistics and automation. It's autonomous drones versus autonomous vehicles. With companies like Amazon, UPS, Alphabet's Wing, Tesla, and TuSimple are all pushing boundaries of autonomous delivery, it's a great time to explore how these technologies are changing the landscape of logistics. So let's jump right in. So, as automation continues to evolve in logistics, these two technologies have emerged as central players, autonomous drones and autonomous vehicles. But what role will each play, and which one could ultimately define the future of logistics? Let's take a look at the current ecosystem. Right now, we're seeing autonomous drones and autonomous vehicles being used in different parts of the logistics supply chain, each with distinct roles and strengths. First of all, autonomous drones are ideal for last-mile deliveries. Their small size and their ability to fly over urban traffic makes them perfect for lightweight, time-sensitive deliveries like medical supplies or consumer packages. Companies like Amazon and Wing are optimizing drone delivery systems for quick access in urban areas. Alternately, autonomous vehicles, like self-driving trucks, shine best in long-haul, heavy-duty logistics applications. They've been built for transporting large shipments over extended distances. Think regional distribution centers to local hubs. Tesla and TuSimple are developing these vehicles to improve efficiency on longer transport routes. So drones and autonomous vehicles currently complement each other. Drones handle the last mile, while autonomous trucks take on the long-haul segments, but both face some unique and some common challenges. The first is regulatory hurdles. Both drones and autonomous vehicles are regulated, but differently. Drones face restrictions on airspace use, especially over populated areas, and autonomous vehicles deal with varying state and federal road regulations. Payload limitations. Drones can only carry small, lighter weight items, while autonomous vehicles can handle much heavier loads. This limits drones to specialized deliveries and vehicles to bulk transportation. Then they both share in common infrastructure needs. Both need infrastructure to scale effectively. Drones require landing pads, charging stations, and designated flight paths, especially in cities and other urban populated areas. Autonomous vehicles, on the other hand, need roadside infrastructure, such as charging points, to maintain efficiency on their long routes. So while these challenges may seem daunting at first glance, they also point to solutions for making autonomous logistics a true reality. So how do we overcome challenges for scalable deployment? Let's talk a little bit about strategy. What exactly can be done to help both drones and autonomous vehicles operate on a broader scale? The first is collaboration with regulators. Companies need to work closely with regulators to create clear and consistent guidelines. This could mean dedicated low-altitude corridors for drones and unified regulations for autonomous vehicles across adjoining states or across the entire countries. Specialized focus. Focusing drones on lightweight, high priority, and high value deliveries like medical supplies or essential documents demonstrates their effectiveness without pushing boundaries too quickly. Infrastructure development. Building infrastructure is a key component. For drones, that means setting up those dedicated landing zones and charging stations. For vehicles, investment in roadside infrastructure can boost operational efficiency. And last, public education. Educating communities on the benefits, safety, and privacy measures of autonomous technologies can build trust and acceptance, helping to smooth the path to integration and adoption. Looking ahead, let's discuss the future of logistics, both integration and efficiency. So looking ahead, we may well see a hybrid logistics model where autonomous drones and vehicles coexist and complement each other in a seamless delivery system. As we introduced earlier, drones will likely dominate the last mile delivery in cities, tackling urban and suburban traffic to deliver small, high priority packages quickly. Whereas autonomous vehicles will likely take on the heavy lifting of long distance transport, moving bulk goods efficiently between logistics hubs. So imagine a system where self-driving trucks deliver goods to regional hubs and drones take over for that last mile. This hybrid approach leverages each technology's strengths and could streamline delivery networks, reducing costs and improving efficiencies. Strategic recommendations for logistics providers. For companies looking to stay ahead of this market, here are a number of key strategies for integrating autonomous technologies into your logistics operations. Number one, leverage drones for high-value deliveries. Using them for lightweight, high-value items can showcase their efficiency within current limitations. Then number two, focus autonomous vehicles on long-distance freight. Autonomous trucks are well suited for bulk goods over long distances, which can boost operational cost savings. Thirdly, engage with regulators early. A proactive approach to regulatory compliance can make scaling smoother for both technologies. And lastly, invest in infrastructure. Partnerships with local governments and infrastructure investments, like drone landing zones and vehicle charging stations, are essential for building a scalable logistics network. As autonomous technology continues to evolve, both drones and autonomous vehicles could each play a distinct yet complementary role in delivery networks. Drones will likely take on that last mile in urban areas, while autonomous vehicles will manage long-haul freight operations. Together, they do have the potential to improve delivery times and cut logistical costs across the supply chain. For more information, check out the description of this podcast, where we have linked the links for Amazon's drone delivery service in Arizona, Alphabet's Wing, Too Simple, Tesla's self-driving initiatives, and more. Thanks again for joining us today on the Sustainability Podcast. We'll be back soon with more insights on the technology shaping the future of logistics and beyond. And don't forget to subscribe for more episodes. Until next time, thank you. Thank you for tuning in to the Sustainability Podcast. Today, we explored how artificial intelligence, logistics, supply chains, and smart cities are revolutionizing sustainability efforts across industries. Now's the time to take what you've heard and start implementing those changes in your work. Please share this episode with others who are passionate about building a better future and keep the momentum going. For those looking to go deeper, ARC Advisory Group offers unparalleled guidance in developing and executing sustainability strategies. Please reach out to us for expert insights and support that can help you turn these ideas into action and to lead your organization towards a more sustainable path.